Have you ever seen people who hasn't got success, who hasn't got any overcome in their life, in his life, who think that I need to spend my life my grandfather, my ancient way, but that's not rule. If you see in your era where you live in at this era, at this decade, in this time you live in, that you see any kind of freedom, you can gather that, you can take that. Everyone can be successful in their life, but some people will do that. One person who is, and but some people, they got interruption from anywhere, from heart. I already said about maybe that your first enemy is that your heart, that interruption you inside way, internal way, they interrupted you, disturb you. If you do any good thing, he will do, oh, don't go there. Like, let's say you want to do pray, like father is the like morning prayer, dawning prayer. And if you go to mosque at that time, this heart say, oh, sleep some little bit, later you will go. This is the interruption, I would say. It cannot be do that immediately to you. It's fucking thing, I would say. Kick up him, kick up that heart, kick up it. So anyway, don't waste time to doing argue. Those are bullshit. Never do argue with people. That's waste your time. That's also like I would say garbage. Like interruption. Learn more. You need to have more than many other people. So fuck up all bullshit thing. Argue. Be strong in your era. Better than other bad guy. Better than other politicians. Be strong. Who fuck care them? You need to be strong, better than them. Keep in your mind that nothing won't disturb you. Nothing won't disturb you. This is your motivation. No one can disturb you. No one can interruption you at your work, at your dream. Some people are becoming strong in financially for whatever invest they do. So you need to learn better investment, better more than them. So never lazy way, waste your time. Control your financial, control your country's financial, control your territory financial. Whatever you need to do that. So do dominate your market. Never competition with people. Dominate your market. I'm suffering right now with that. I usually go to market to selling product where I exactly haven't got yet my market, but I'm trying to get. Indeed, very soon I will get my market. I will dominate my market. That where I exactly sell my product. Dominate your position. Be strong. Be strong is all at least. Be strong at least 1% every day. Today, do push up on. Tomorrow, 2. Third day, 3. Fourth day, 4. 5th day, 5th day, 5. To increase one way. So you cannot get success overnight, I would say. So therefore it will take some time from you, and if you get success, you never feel comfort zone that nothing happened immediately, everything has pay you when you do suffering. I believe that if I got like my desired outcome that I want, I never in comfort zone. I will think what I need to do and what I got in the past, what I suffering do, how people criticize me, all sort of thing. That's pay you. So never. Even God will like you. I believe that. But devil, this heart is fuck you. This heart is try to make you weak. But if your be is strong, you need to control this fucking, you know. So and never blame other people. They will attract you by that time, and always try to stay uncomfortable. Never blame people. How do you do that? If some people really do the wrong, so take responsibility. How fuck thing you. This is interruption. This one. He will say you why you take his blame. He did wrong and you take that. If you take that, you are a strong guy. If you blame guy to other people, you are weak, I would say. So don't care people how successful they are, or don't care yourself always. Don't care how successful they are. Don't care. Care just yourself. Care, I just care myself. Be smart in financially. So here is my some point I have. First one is fuck your heart, never care him. Number two is never blame other, and number three is be obsessed. Obsessed mean always think about something. Never no on caught attention from that. Like if you are obsessed with money, if you are obsessed with your dream, you are obsessed. You are not ever best. You need to do multiple way those things. Like if you are obsessed with money, always think money. If you are obsessed with any kind of thing, always think any kind of thing. Number four is control your emotion. That's control your emotion. So I'm hoping you will get something from this video. No one is subscribe me yet. I don't care. I care value. I'm providing you value that's totally free. So I'm hoping you will stay with me forever. I never will stop to uploading video. How many interaction will come? How many until I died? Doing something better than nothing. I believe that God will like me. God is like me. Doing something better than nothing.